In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add components in Jira. Jira is a powerhouse of a tool for project management and tracking. And if you're using it to manage your software development projects, you'll know that organization is key. One way to enhance your project organization within Jira is by utilizing components. Components allow you to categorize issues within a project into smaller, manageable sections, making it much easier to keep track of project progress and delegate tasks effectively. Alright, let's dive into the process of adding components to your Jira project. First off, you need to navigate to your workspace. If you're already logged into Jira, you can do this by clicking on the Your Work section. This is where you'll find a dashboard with all the projects you're currently involved in. It serves as a great starting point, especially if you're juggling multiple projects. Once you're in the Your Work section, the next step is to select the project you want to add components to. Each project you're working on will be listed here, so just click on the one that you're focusing on. This action will take you to your project's dashboard. Now, on your project's dashboard, you'll want to look for the Components section. This could be located in the sidebar or under the project settings, depending on your Jira configuration. Clicking on Components will take you to a page where all existing components, if any, for your project are listed. Here comes the fun part, adding a new component. You'll see a button or link titled Create Component. Click on that. This action opens up a form where you can define your new component. This form is where you choose what type of service or category your new component will fall under. Jira offers a variety of predefined component types to help you accurately categorize your issues. Select the one that best fits the nature of the tasks or issues that you'll be classifying under this new component. Next, you'll need to give your component a name. This should be something descriptive yet concise, which clearly communicates the purpose of the component to your team members. For example, if your component is going to cover all UI related issues, you might name it UI design. After naming your component, you might need to assign it to a specific team. If your project involves multiple teams focusing on different areas, this step is crucial to ensure that the right team gets notified about the relevant issues. Choose a team from the drop-down menu or list provided. Additionally, Jira allows you to connect your component to a repository. If your component is directly related to a specific part of your codebase, linking it to your repository can streamline issue tracking and resolution processes. This is an optional step but can be incredibly helpful for development teams. Finally, once you've filled in all the necessary information for your new component, it's time to bring it to life by clicking on Create. This action adds your new component to the project, making it available for categorizing and tracking issues. That's it. You've successfully added a new component to your Jira project. By breaking down your project into components, you not only make it easier to manage tasks and issues, but also enhance the clarity and efficiency of your team's workflow. Remember, you can always edit or remove components as your project evolves or as your team's needs change, so don't hesitate to refine and adjust your use of components to best fit your project management strategy. Before we wrap up, a quick tip. Engage your team in the process of defining and utilizing components. Their input can be invaluable in organizing your project in a way that makes sense to everyone involved. Alright, that brings us to the end of our tutorial on how to add components in Jira. I hope you found these instructions helpful and that you're feeling confident about organizing your projects with components. Thank you for watching and happy project managing.